Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So levels are still very much the same as what they are yesterday. There's nothing else to add really. I think this range is very, very strong. So the bottom of this range is 41,906 and the top of the range is 42,421. We do have non-farm payrolls coming out today, which may be the catalyst we're waiting for. But when you look at this on the 3 hour, we do have a crossover of the moving averages, which is bearish, but we're in amongst all the moving averages, which is rangy, so we are ranging, and the buyers are still scaling in here off the bottom of the range at 41,900. So my advice really is wait for non-farm payrolls, which is later tonight from us in the European time zones, and then have a look at it. But if you just look at this from yesterday, big range bars, tails to the upside, tails to the downside, bob wire, confusion. Nobody knows what the hell's going on or which direction we're going to go. So everybody's waiting for that catalyst. And what is it going to be? It's definitely going to be around the interest rate cuts. And how much and by when is pretty much what we're going to be waiting for. But at the moment, my advice is sit tight. Don't even try and second guess this. But reluctant to be jumping in short on anything because of the support that we're seeing down here. Look at this, this is the third week that we're finding support at 41,900. So if that breaks and we come back and reject it, that's a different story. That's when we start looking at shorts. But at the moment, we're just going sideways, above and below the moving averages on a daily basis, pretty much. Friday up, Monday down, Tuesday back into the moving averages. Not something you want to be trading. So my advice is sit tight, wait for the FOMC minutes, and then pick this up tomorrow. It may be something brewing. It just depends what happens. It just depends on the data that comes out. But don't try and second guess this. You're probably just going to burn yourself. Anyway, that's me this morning, short and sweet. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.